Hey guys, Praveen here, and in this video we're going to check out Supabase MCP server. If you don't know MCP server, it's like an API to use all Supabase functions in your VS code itself, in your editor itself. So let's just set this up and see how this works. So this is for cursor. It's going into .cursor directly /mcp.json, but I'm using in VS code, so probably mcp.json will work here. Oh, MCP service is not allowed. Okay, let's just remove this. Nope. Okay, it's just servers. Okay, that should do it. So let's just go to agent mode or copilot edits and see if this works. Oh, I have to add my personal access token, so let's just add that. Let's sign in, continue with GitHub. Perfect. This is paused. I have to restore that. Okay, now let's go to my settings, access tokens, generate to token for VS code MCP. Perfect. I'm gonna copy this and add it over here. Perfect. Okay, that should work. Let's see if this works. List all of my tables in Supabase. Okay, it's running. This is in GPT-4o. Hopefully that works. Okay, it's taking a while. Well, that didn't work. Oh, it's in ask mode. Okay, let's just change it to agent mode and try again. Perfect. Now it's agent mode. Let's try this again. Oh, it's showing the MCP server, I'm guessing. Okay. Oh, it didn't work. Start server. Okay, that's another. Let's see what the problem is. Maybe this should be npx. Let's restart it. Okay, it worked. Perfect. List all my tables in Supabase. Allow this session, list projects. Oh my god, perfect. Okay, but I said list all. Okay. Show me everything in peak prod then. Okay, continue. Okay, that works. Okay, that's how you use MCP in your app. So if you have any doubts, you just copy the original thing that they had, add servers to here, and you can just add whatever MCP servers you have. And Supabase is very good. It needs more things like edge functions, which is the one that it's very hard to write because it's fully like backend. You have to think about how Dino works and everything. So I hope they add edge functions to this, but so far it's very good. Now I'm gonna remove this access token. Bye bye.